All right, we're here today at Frank's Pontiac Parts in 29 Palms, California. And we're putting up for sale this 1967 Pontiac GTO. Now, this is an original Linden green car. It's white now. It looks like it's been blue. It's been red. I think red. I don't know. It had a lot of different colors underneath there. But super nice car, California car. No motor, no trans. We got it in that way. We actually bought it out in Burbank some years back. But no body rust, typical of a California car. It does have some rust in the trunk, and it does have some, starting in the back of the window, which is just kind of the typical. A little bit of surface on the trunk lid from having shag carpet laying on it, but basically a really solid car. If you're looking for a 67 GTO and you've always wanted one, and maybe you've got a garage full of engines like a lot of Pontiac guys do, this is perfect, because you can put in whatever you want. Now, we have engines. We've got plenty of them here. We've got lots of blocks, lots of heads, lots of different combinations depending on what somebody would want to put together. But anyway, really nice car. As you can see, very complete. Real California car. We do have the California title for it, and it is in our name. You can see the door panels are nice, no rust at the heels. There's the blue. You can see the Linden green, and there's a little bit of red too. I thought there was red. It's an air car. An old school tachometer there in the dash. It's got the his and hers automatic shifter. The upholstery's ripped up, but I mean, you could throw an engine in this and drive it. The bucket seats are pretty nice. The back is just trashed from the sun. I did go ahead and take a bunch of stills, so those are on our website, so you can actually see what the car's like. We did take some underneath as well. There's no rust on the roof. None of them right here. There's no rust in the floors. Floors are solid. I know a lot of these get rust on the bottoms of the door jambs, and they get them in the cowl area, but this has got none of those issues. So just a very clean car. Pretty much a standard car, other than it being a GTO and having air conditioning. I think it's pretty much a bread and butter GTO. So there you go. 1967 Pontiac GTO, original Linden green car. Came originally with a 400 and an automatic. For sale at Frank's Pontiac Parts and frankspontiacparts.com. Thank you for watching.